Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. So today I have another haul video. I know I got to get to work using some of these craft supplies that I have coming in, but I just want to share with you, what I've received. So this one is also from my little scrapbook store. So we're going to dive on in. And the one thing I didn't include in this particular video, my mom actually got the Cocoa Vanilla Sun Kiss collection, but I already gave it to her, so it's not going to be like featured. So I got a new topper from my art glitter glue. I was showing you that first. These foils I got because of Gina's live, and I have some of these foils, the silver, I think the other one is like a cherry, and then the gold, but I got some more. I also got the 1/4 inch double-sided tape, and I got some refills for this Dotliner. The main holder I got from my little scrapbook store probably like last year, and then I just needed a few more refills, so I got 4 of those. And I really like this, the larger size. I've been using it a lot in a lot of my videos. And then I was trying to find, oh, these are ribbons that came on the packaging. I always save those because as a card maker, they work great as accents and stuff like that. And as a matter of fact, I'll have to try and remember to use them so that way you guys can see. I got another one of the Glacier paste, and that one is, oh God, I need my glasses, but it's a melon. It's a pretty pink. Okay, so I got this kit. It's for Heather Balzer. I think I'm saying her name right. She's gonna have a class on Saturday showing us how to create a shadow box using those items. So that's why I got that. I got the toner sheets. They have adhesive on the back to go with the foil. And then this is actually my second piece of this. I got this one on the other haul, and I wanted a second one. I'm trying to show you because it's acetate, the flowers. I was just thinking having 2 would be better, so that way if I wanted to do like a double-sided, layout 2-page, it would match. I also got the 12 by 12 Heidi Swapp stencil. Now this one was fun. It was interesting because when Michelle was showing it, I have I have a secret obsession with gnomes, like in the cards but I don't get a whole lot of the stuff. Now this one, I just thought the colors were so vibrant and cute, and it would make great birthday cards, and it had the dies so you could cut out the different gnomes, the hats, the candles, which I think are at the bottom. Yeah, they're at the bottom where my hand was. And then there's other elements you can cut out for sentiments and possible backgrounds for your cards. So you get 4 sheets. I was just making sure they were all the same. Yeah, you get 4 sheets and the die pack in this collection. What I'm going to do down below, I may not be able to get links for everything because I know some stuff I think was clearance stuff she was trying to get rid of, but I will try and link as much as I can. It'll be down in the more section, okay? But my bestie, Beatrice, was actually going to use this particular collection. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, I want that for my stash because there's a couple of people I would like to do layouts about who have passed away. And then on this, okay, once again, obsession with gnomes. So you get the ephemera pack, and then I like the colors. This one has more pinks and reds in it, but I think it could still work with the other paper. That's why I brought it over. Because the backgrounds, like all the patterns on this, I think would make a lot of cards. You can use this with a combination of that other page, and it would work really well. So I'm just showing you close-ups of all the papers. Look at the birthday hats, and then on the back is the polka dots. I love polka dots. I have a obsession with polka dot paper as well. And then you have the birthday cakes with a really pretty, subtle background. And then more gnomes. I mean, come on. And then a rainbow stripe. I mean, yeah, I like that pattern as well. And then a really pretty pink, and it's got a pattern like with balloons and cakes and stuff on the back. It's really subtle. And then you get a full 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which you can use a sticker sheet as ephemera. If you ever get a set that doesn't have it, all you have to do is take some of your powder from like your EK Success tool and put it on the back of the sticker, and it creates basically an ephemera because it takes the stick away. And then she also had in here 2 color sheets. So there were cards you could color, and then of course on the back side with the polka dots, you could color that as well. And bear with me because it was fighting me with getting it back into the packaging, which it always does. So I just wanted to try and make sure to put everything back in because I'm good for leaving stuff out when I do these videos. And then, yeah. Well, we'll just save that for another video. All right. So the big thing I got in this packaging was the Buenos Dias collection, which we're going to be showing soon. Now, this is the Simple Stories. And these are basically like, I don't know what you would call them, sort of like stencils, I guess, where you can take your photo. I'm trying to find one. And then put the stencil over top and trace, and you would be able to cut out your photo into a perfect circle. And it comes in 4-inch, 3.5, 3, 2.5, and 2-inch sizes. I was like, I like the idea of it. You know, sometimes you just don't want to have to like try and figure out which punch is going to work best. And if you can put this over top of the photo, figure out the size, trace and cut it out. If you don't want to do that, then you can just find your 4-inch or your 3-inch circle punch and punch it out. Now, in the My Scrappy bag, you do get one of these alpha stickers. I love the two-tone where it's like the yellow and pink. And I was just showing you, it could even work with the gnomes, with the color, paper that they have for that. So that's why I got a second one. Now, I'm going to open up this pad. And I'm going to turn it sideways. But I just wanted to go through and show you the different pages that come in this collection. And there's something about, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit closer so you can see some of those patterns. Something about the color scheme, the pinks, the blues, and it's like it's rainbow, but it's not like a slap in your face rainbow. It's very, I don't know. Obviously, I can't describe it, but as soon as I saw it, I was like, you know what? I should get that. And I held off until I saw in March, Beatrice used it for one of the challenge. Was it the monthly challenge? The sketch from Tisa. She used it on that, and I was like, why didn't I get this collection? Someone explain it to me. So I went and got it, and I'm really happy I did. You get cut aparts. It's a total of 48 sheets. So you get 2 of each pattern, and that's just the beginning. So in this Scrappy bag, you get that 48 sheet pad, and then you get these different elements. Like this one is acrylic pieces, and then this one is ephemera, tags, stuff like that. Of course, the alphas. And, I'm not worried about this set. Like some of the words obviously is in Spanish, and I don't really know Spanish that well. So I'll just call and ask my friend, what is this? So that way I can put it on the right spot or have it be for the right meaning. You know what I mean? But they also have English sentiments with it. So whether you speak Spanish or not, this would be a really good set to get because it's fun. It's spring. It's very, there's something about it. Look at that car, a pink car. I love it. And then the chipboard, so that was the sticker sheet. This is the chipboard. So you get a yay, another car. I like that style, the old school cars. You get all of that plus that 48 sheet paper pad in that Scrappy bag. I mean, you really get a good value. So here's everything. Once again, I will try and have a link down below for Heather's class. It's going to be this Saturday coming. However, if you order it and it obviously comes later, I'm sure the video is going to be available, so that way you can still follow along, because that DoddleBug stuff is so cute, and I know she plans on doing more classes down the line, so definitely keep an eye out for that. So thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and down below you can leave comments. I would love to read them, and of course, if you guys need any crafty supplies, definitely check out my little scrapbook store, and if you have any questions, you can always DM Michelle. She's really great. So thanks again, you guys, and I hope you have a great day.